Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter, not but the new topic, which is MOT. MOT. So MOT first, like why this theory was introduced is because, of course, we were having VBT before, so we need to discuss what was exactly the drawbacks of the VBT, why it was important to discover this MOT. So the important point was VBT could not explain the exact shape, structure of these all, and the main reason was the behavior of these. The paramagnetic behavior was not explained by the VBT, but in this theory they were explained. So let's start with the MOT. MOT simply means molecular molecular orbital theory. Okay, so MOT simply, oopsie, sorry. So when atom, like if you're just talking about the molecule, so this means when plus atom would be formed, atom would be formed, so they will form molecule. Okay, so what if an atom, they will form orbital, like the atom orbital. Here would be also orbital. I'm just writing O here. When these both will form, they will form atomic orbital, right? Atomic, then O orbital. Same here, atomic orbital. So when atom and atom will combine, they, like if I consider any one of this, if I consider this only, so still there would be an atomic orbital, there would be one atomic orbital, but here I've taken two, like this atom and this atom. Why? Just because when these both will combine, they will form molecular atomic orbital. So our talk would be only about that molecular orbital. So let's start. Who basically starts, who gave this theory or this concept of the MOT? They were Hunt and Milkian. And what year did they give? That was 1932. 1932. Okay, so we are starting with this. Let's go with the first point, as this is first point would be that MOT. Let me just write MOT, that the just for atoms. Wait. Just for atoms, we use atomic orbital. We use atomic orbital, and for molecule we need like atom plus atom, they'll form molecule, and for molecule we need to have a molecular orbital. So this was its first point. I'm writing like the first point. Okay, then this, I am sure that you get this concept, like when atoms are combining, they are forming atomic orbital. But what when two atoms or when molecule will be combined, they will form a molecular orbital. That was his first postulate. So all of the postulate which we are discussing. Then the second postulate was atomic orbital of same energy will combine. Same energy will combine. Same energy molecule, atomic orbitals will combine. Okay, and other, like if it's atomic orbitals of the same energy, then molecular will be also of the same energy. For suppose if I've taken 1s, they will combine with the 1s1, like 1s1 will combine 1s1. But what if I've taken 2s2 and second I'm taking 2s1? So this means that's wrong. This means we need to know that the energies would always be equal. So let's discuss one MCQ's combination of two atomic orbitals in the result of two molecular orbitals. So what does this mean here? So the right answer would be the first. How? Just because if one atom is combining, that is forming a molecule, then that molecule is also known as one bonding or non-bonding orbital. Okay, but these three are wrong, just because combination of two atomic orbitals. That's saying if the two atomic orbitals are formed or combined, in the result they will form two molecular orbitals. That of course right.